Good morning, K2C. How are you today? Today we are going to have language class. Are you ready? Good job. Now let's start to learn the new sounds in language class. Today we are going to learn sounds of b, k, and f. Let's try to read b, a, b, k, a, k, a, f. Now can you circle the word which has f sounds? Good, flag. How about the word which has k sounds? Clam. Good job. Now let's try to read the word blow. O, blow. The kids blow the bubble. Block, block. Do you like to play the block? Fall, egg, flag. This is Indonesian flag. Fall, over, flower. The flower is really beautiful. Call, up, clap. Let's clap your hand 3 times. Call, os, close. Please close the door. Good job, K2C. Now let's try to read the word fast. Can you read it? Wow, well done, K2C. Good job. Now it's time to do the task. Now, please prepare the Sounds Grade book, page 8 and 9. After that, you listen to the audio and do the track 5, 6, and 7. Now, I will show to you how to do the listening task. For track 5, listen, trace, and complete the word. Listen to the audio, you trace the word, and also complete the word. For the track 6, listen and circle the sounds that begins the word. You will hear number 1, clam. So what is the beginning sounds? K or F? Then you circle K. Track 7. Listen and circle the picture you hear. Number 1, blow. So which one is blow? Yeah, then you circle blow. So after watch this video, please find the audio in Schola and upload your task to Schola too. Okay, K2C. Now it's time to do the listening task. So, open the audio in Schola and then after that you listen and do the task inside your book. I know you can do it. Goodbye, K2C. May God bless you.